Today we're flying to Isan and we are really excited. We don't really know what to expect because we don't have a grand plan for this whole trip to Isan. Isan is the whole eastern region in Thailand and you can't find that much information on traveling there as you can find in Bangkok or Chiang Mai. So this is going to be an exciting adventure. It's also the home to spicy food. That's where many of the spicy dishes come from here in Thailand, and I'm personally looking forward to giving that a go.
Hi, I'm Zoe.
And I'm Simon. And since our first trip together over a decade ago, we've taken every opportunity we can get to travel, explore new countries and try new food.
This year, we left our jobs and rented out our flat to start a new long-term trip, beginning in Asia, where we'll be diving deep into the multitude of cultures and cuisines. We're here!
We're here.
I mean, it's 9 o'clock and we could already check in.
We have a window this time.
Yay!
Oh yeah!
It's been a while since
we had a window. We even have a super nice reading area in front of the window. It's pretty nice. We've got a nice view of the Khon Kaen skyline.
It's two houses.
It's two skyscrapers.
I wouldn't call them skyscrapers.
Two tall buildings and a parking lot. I like it. I like it a lot.
The bathroom has a separate shower dance because it's kind of rare, and the toilet is not getting wet when we shower. So much space. We found really good coffee already. I think it's the best in Khon Kaen. I mean, I've been here for about 5 minutes, but I can firmly say that. I already downed mine. And now it's time to find something to eat.
Ooh.
I give you. Oh. The owner here is so cute. She just brought us her homemade bread. And it's really good. It's with butter, I think. It's warm, it's fresh. And she just brought us that. So nice. I think she's really happy that tourists are coming.
So after that great coffee, it's time for lunch.
Okay, we just found this Isan restaurant and we ordered some things that we think will give us a nice introduction to Isan food. So we ordered lab, which is minced pork with some spices and herbs, and then also a papaya salad. And on the menu it said crispy papaya salad, so I guess it's deep fried here. And then grilled chicken, which is also like flavored Isan style, so hope it's nice. It was a bit difficult to communicate here because English is not spoken and also the menu is just in Thai, but Google Translate came to the rescue and this photo recognition feature works really well. So we were able to order some nice food. But then also I tried to order the small water with Google Translate and we got 2 different lemonades, so we will see how it goes. The lemonades are nice though, and we're happy with them. So
this is more of a higher class Isan restaurant, but the food is very nice. I really like the lab here. We got it with sticky rice. What's so good about it is that it's almost like a salad. It tastes really fresh because it's got all of these nice herbs in there, like coriander and mint, but then also some nice fresh onion, chili of course. The papaya salad is interesting here in the deep fried version. It's probably not the classic papaya salad that you would get here in Isan. And also I must say, you can mostly taste the fried dough, not really the papaya inside. And of course we also got the chicken. You can just put the spicy sauce all over and then dig in. It's marinated for a long time, and I think in the menu it said 11 different herbs and spices. When it's done marinating, it's grilled, also very slowly. The end product is a juicy but also kind of chewy chicken. And the skin is nice and crispy, and then you get this spicy sauce that you can pour all over. And this is the classic grilled chicken that you just have to have here. And I really, really like this one as well.
So according to Google Maps, the walk from the restaurant we were at to this temple we want to visit next was supposed to be about 20 minutes, and it felt like 2 hours maybe?
2.5, 3, 4, 6 hours. No. I mean,
1 year maybe?
yeah, it was a very long time. Although we did also make quite a few stops. We went to the tourist information agency.
Not helpful at all.
Not really helpful at all. Then we went to a 10 baht store.
That was fun.
That was fun. We bought some
Paper soap.
paper soap. So you know now we've got paper soap. And then we had a few stops to get some drinks.
And then also I fell into mud and
so we fell into mud and
No,
mostly splashed mud all over my legs.
Yep. Then we had to clean that.
So we spent 10 minutes cleaning that off. And so now we are finally at our destination. The destination is Wat Pho Non Than, a temple that's supposed to be really nice. And I think it's open and I think we can go in. Otherwise, I think we would have just booked a flight back to Bangkok and called it a day. Because honestly, this was the most exhausting walk to any place we've ever done.
I mean, it was also very sunny and there was no shade. I think that also played a role.
Yeah.
So there was a little stall at the entrance of this temple, and we thought maybe you need to buy a ticket to visit the temple, because with some temples that's the case. And we went to the lady and wanted to pay, because Simon said like, oh look, for 2 people it was like 1, 2, for 2 people it was 300 baht. We were like, oh, that's expensive. And we almost gave her the money and she was like, ah, massage. So yeah, we didn't want a massage. But we almost got one. There's not that much to see at the temple itself. I mean, it's nice and beautiful. But I think the special thing about this temple is actually the ground floor, because it's a very nice area with a lot of old trees and statues and also images of people acting out Isan proverbs. And yeah, it's nice to just walk around, and it's also a meditation center, which is also really interesting. It's just really nice to walk around here for a little bit, and after, maybe we'll get a massage.
We're at the night market now, but we are very early, so everyone is just setting up their stalls right now. So I think we need to come back in like an hour or something. But it's cool to see. We can already scout the good-looking things for later. The night market is a street that's set up directly at the lake here in Khon Kaen. It's actually quite a nice and serene place to hang out and enjoy some shade, as we are right now, because in this town there's not much shade. It always feels a little bit like the sun is always right on top of you. So it's nice, you know. I think we will get a drink now, walk around the lake a little bit more, and then later check out the night market.
It's all built up and running now. So I guess we may have a little snack. Let's see if we find anything that catches our eye.
So as insects are a speciality here in Isan, I think this is a good time to indulge in this, what should we call it, snack. So on this market we found a nice looking stall that sold a whole variety of insects. I think they are fried, and so I got a mix of 2 different ones, and I'm afraid to say that I don't really know what they are. I think
They are probably grasshoppers. They look quite crispy, which I liked. And then they put them in this bag and also put some sauce on top. Looked like soy sauce. Let's give them a go. I mean, I've had insects before, and I think they are actually a nice snack if done right, and fried and like with spices is a good start, I think. So maybe let's start with this guy here. Cheers.
Cheers.
Not too bad. Quite crunchy. A nice taste of like an earthy taste, and with earthy I mean like I have no idea what I mean. Like an insect, basically.
Just like an insect.
Yeah. I'll also try one of the smaller ones here. They are tiny. They're more crunchy. It is almost as if you're tasting like a pea snack that we had before.
That really doesn't sound too bad.
It doesn't sound.
I really did not imagine this. As I said, let's see if we can find a snack that catches our eye.
I know. I also thought maybe we would have some dessert, mango sticky rice or something.
Okay, first I have to say, I love this picnic area. It's so nice how they put blankets all over the floor and little tables, and everyone can just sit here with the things they bought from the market. And then I was kind of pressured into also trying the insects. Oh. The small ones taste kind of fatty, like a fatty fried chip.
Yeah, I mean they are fried, yeah. Not too bad,
It really
right?
doesn't taste like an insect.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could also imagine this not being an insect. Like, what does it remind me of? Maybe like a lentil snack, because there's also a lot of protein in them.
That's what I thought
You know,
as well,
these
yeah.
lentil,
Like a
kind
pea
of puffed
or-
lentil snack. Yeah.
Or chickpea maybe also.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, the big one.
You want to try a big one? They're pretty good, right?
They're okay. I mean, taste-wise, I don't know if I would eat a whole bag of them. Like,
The whole bag
I
is
would,
pretty
I
rough,
would
yeah.
still prefer crisps. I mean, nutrition-wise, this snack is probably better. It was nice to try them. They're not too bad.
Such a nice market. The atmosphere is just really nice and relaxed.
Yeah, especially during sunset. I mean, everybody's just sitting there having their picnic, and right next to the market there's also a football field or something, and people are playing ball there, and it's just really nice. Music is playing. I feel like we're in a Hitchcock movie, and I'm also not sure if we want to go there because we might get a little surprise from above. So let's go.